Hiya, my name's Andy from React. One of the things we get a lot is people talking about rules and regulations and stuff, right? And it can be confusing, but the regulation I'm going to speak to you about today, and hopefully simplify one element of it, is the work at height regs. 05 is amended in 07. Okay, and one of the key takeaways from that, within this regulation, there's a very important set of guidance, all right? And that guidance is called the hierarchy of fall protection, or the hierarchy of measures, depending which school you went to, it doesn't really matter. But here's the deal, it sounds complicated, it's not, so let me do it this way for you. If you're going to take you somewhere now, so if we're imagining we're in a field, all right, and in that field we've got a telecoms mast. Top of the mast, yeah, we've got an antenna. The theoretical job I'm bringing you in to do, yeah, with me, is to survey that dish. But here's the first rule. The first rule is your feet cannot leave the deck, right? They cannot leave terra firma, they cannot leave the ground. We're going to avoid the need to go up. So what do I mean by a survey? Well, something pretty simple really, just some pictures, basic measurements, nothing complex, all right? So an example of a tool that would allow you to do that without your feet leaving the floor, drone. Drones are great, right? Being used more and more readily available, sometimes more accurate than a site survey photos, to be honest with you. So great tool, yeah? So that's avoiding the need to go up. Another thing that slots in with the hierarchy of measures, and a lot of people don't talk about this, but it's very much there and it is true, is if we were going to be doing this daily, right? If you're going to have to go and check something at height daily, we should look to put an existing safe place of work in, okay? Example for that would be gantry with some stair access up to it, yeah? So that's an existing safe place of work. The next thing along the line though, if we decide that's not going to work, yeah, is we're going to look towards the next step, which is prevent, okay? Give you an example of that. That is the idea. I'm going to stop me falling off and landing on you, or conversely you falling off and landing on me. So ideally something with a guard railing. All right, examples of that. Clip together scaffold, also known as a PASMA tower. Yeah, throw that up, jobs are good in. Other example, standard scaffold, yeah, 50.8 steel tube. Other example of that, mobile elevated work platforms, or MEWPs as they're commonly called in the trade. Yeah, so that's a boom lift, a scissor lift, whatever that may be. The reality of that situation is, to get past that guardrail, I'm having to try really hard on it, right? I'm having to work very hard to get past that guardrail. So that's a really great set of examples there of the idea of choosing collective before personal. When we go down to the last bit, which is minimize or mitigate, depending which language you use, again, they both mean the same thing in this case. That's the idea. I'm going to send somebody climbing up the outside of the structure with the harnesses, the lanyards, you know, all that stuff that looks great on Instagram, right? But here's the rub, here's the problem with that. We're going to put this kit on, which in the event of a fall, we're going to steal the energy out of it, we're going to let the fall happen, but here's the drama. If someone takes that fall, okay, I've then got to look at sending somebody to rescue them. So I'm potentially taking one casualty, turning them into two, all right, and that's a big problem. So quick little recap on all of that. Avoid, if we don't have to go up, absolutely great. Is there an existing safe place? Ideal. Next step is we're choosing collective before personal, something with a guard railing, right? The last chance is minimize, okay? And that will mitigate, again, like I say, that's where we start to look to fall arrest lanyards and all that sort of stuff. And that is basically an overview of the hierarchy of measures.